Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Speak English in 40 minutes. Train your mouth to talk. Let's start. Apko English Samaj Aati Hai. Lekin aap bol nahi paate. Don't worry, I will help you. Listen, repeat, speak. Follow these steps. I am happy. I am learning English. This is my book. That is your pen. I like tea. I wake up early. I go to school. I am ready. Speak now. Try again. Practice more. What are you doing? I am studying. Where are you going? I am going to market. Do you like coffee? Yes, I like it. No, I don't like it. Please help me. Wait for me. Speak without looking. Try again. You can do it. Hello, how are you? I am fine. What about you? I am also fine. What are you doing? I am learning English. That's great. Now your turn. Change roles. Practice again. Today I woke up early. I brushed my teeth. I had breakfast. I am making a video. I want to learn English. Speak 5 sentences about your day. Practice daily. Improve your English. You can speak English. Practice daily. Like, subscribe. I will speak English.